Overdo. I always overdo the decorations at parties. I am overdoing the exercise a bit this week. I have overdone it in the garden today. I have been overdoing the overtime for months. I overdid the salt in the stew. I was overdoing the practice when I strained my wrist. I had overdone the roast before I checked the timer. The chef had been overdoing the spices for weeks before complaints. I will not overdo it at the gym tomorrow. I will be overdoing the celebrations all weekend, I'm sure. By dinner, I will have overdone the vegetables again. By then, I will have been overdoing my schedule for a year.